Hello everyone, my name is Kushini Ashritha, roll number 21ME30041. Today I am going to present the 3D model of a fidget spinner which I have made using the Freecad. Firstly, I have made the body of the fidget spinner using the sketch option of following dimensions, and then I have used the pad feature to make the body into 3D. And next, I have used the fillet option to create to create the smooth edges to make the fidget spinner look better. The second thing I made is the bearings. I have made the bearings using two concentric cylinders and using the intersection cut and fusion. Next, I have made the pin of the fidget spinner using the sketch option, and then I have made the body using the revolution feature, and then I have made the top part using sketch and pad option, and then I have used the fillet feature to make the edges smooth and to make it look better. Similarly, I have made the second pin using pad feature and revolution feature. Now all the parts of the fidget spinner are ready, and then at last I have assembled all of them using the assembly. This is the final fidget spinner which I have made using the Freecad. I have duplicated the bearings into four, and then I have used different constraints and plane axis coincident, plane coincident, and put the bearings in their position. At last, I have assembled the pins in its place using different constraints. As we can see, we have assembled all the parts. Now let's select all the parts to export the file to Ultimaker Cura. We have to export the file in STL mesh form. Now the file is exported to Ultimaker Cura. Let's open the file. As we can see, we have the 3D model of the fidget spinner I have made here. Now let's slice the 3D model. As we can see, it is showing that the print time is 5 hours 35 minutes. Now let's have a preview. You can see that the model is being printed. Thank you.